The President, Fasanok, Makarita Reno, Executive Chairman for the Fiji National Sports Commission, Peter Maisie, CEO, Fiji Sports Council, Mrs. Litiana Wambuka, distinguished guests, members of the ladies and gentlemen, Meo Sambulare, and welcome to the State House. On behalf of the government of Fiji and its people, I welcome you to the State House. I'm extremely pleased and equally proud that we are able to welcome the Queen's Baton with great excitement before it continues on its journey. Allow me first to congratulate Fiji's own baton bearers, our two Tokyo Olympians who are now part of the 7,500 baton bearers worldwide to participate in this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to carry the baton. Receiving the Queen's Baton is a positive gesture of relief from the unprecedented hindrance that the recent pandemic has taken us through for almost 36 months. For us in the Commonwealth, receiving the Queen's Baton is indeed a great honor, as it allows us to participate in honoring the head of the Commonwealth, Queen Elizabeth II, as Her Majesty celebrates Her Majesty's Platinum Jubilee as well this year. To all those present today and to the organizers of today's event, we applaud you for your tenacity and commitment in organizing the logistics around the baton relay and making it happen. I wish to personally acknowledge the nominated baton bearers for the relay here in Fiji, beginning from the athletics, including para-athletes, lawn bowls, boxing, swimming, triathlon, judo, table tennis, including para, weightlifting, and rugby sevens. These sports shall participate and proudly represent Fiji to the Birmingham Games. The Queen's Baton will be showcased in parts of our beautiful Fiji in the next few days with a Queen's message, advocate for the protection of our ecosystem, with a visit to the nature-based solution seawall for the Namatakula village and Korepita in Lautoka, with the coral planting at the Outrigger Hotel and tree planting at the Singatoka Sand Dunes. All these activities, I'm certain, will fulfill the Commonwealth Games values and the themes which include sustainability, humanity, destiny, and the untold stories in its journey. I invite all Fijians not to miss this opportunity to see the Queen's Baton as it passes, or take time, take the family to see the Queen's Baton should it come to a location near you. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, and on behalf of all Fijians, I offer our shared well wishes and blessings for the Birmingham 2022 Commonwealth Games and the Queen's Baton relay en route to Birmingham. May God bless Her Majesty the Queen, and may God bless the Commonwealth. We love you.